Hello, my name is Alex Brookhouse and I'm here to show you around nc3certs.com. If you're seeing this screen, you've already done the hardest part, which is filling out a new school request, also found on nc3certs.com. Seeing this window means that you've passed your exams and you've already purchased, and we've verified that your equipment is on site. Now it's time to issue some certifications to your students. Watching this short video will show you how to enroll students, test students, and then view grades of your students. Firstly, what you're going to want to do is download curriculum to present to your students. You will present the PowerPoint with hands-on demonstrations during it. How you're going to do this is go over to Take Exam. We'll use the 504 multimeter certification as our example today. You will go adjacent to the green eyeball next to 504 meter certification under Take Exam. Opening this up will get you this window. You can either take the exam, depending on how many attempts you've already taken, or you can download the curriculum. On the middle of the left side, you should see a document that's in green. By clicking this, you will automatically download to your downloads folder or your desktop, depending on what you've specified. Now that you have your curriculum and you've taught it to your students, it's time to import them into a group. We have many different options up top. Certifications. This is your reports tab. This is an overview of your school. This is the groups tab where you'll primarily be working. It's great for organization. And this is your individual users tab, and if you have to change anything in a user's profile. This documents page is where we provide some support files, t-shirt orders, marketing material, a lot of stuff that you might find useful. And if you ever get stuck, please hit the help and support button, or the circle with a question mark. All right, let's go into groups and let's set a group up. These are all the groups I've set up before. However, you might not have any yet. You're going to hit add a group on your right side. You're going to type in that group, test group 2. You're going to select the school. This is crucial. You have to select a school. Now that you've done this, you hit save. You've successfully created a group. So now you're in the group edit page. This is a good spot to be because you can manage existing users, add a new user, or import users. Our general rule of thumb is if you have 4 or more users you need to add, you're going to want to import users. Let's go over that feature. So you're going to hit a 3-step process. You're going to download the template, which will also go to your desktop or downloads folder, depending on where you specify. You're going to insert data, and then you're going to save as a CSV file. And then you're going to upload it. I've already filled out my CSV file, so let's view it. So these are a couple of my teammates. What I want to do is import these into our system. You're going to do first name, last name, a password, which has to be 8 characters long, and a valid email address. You will also have to provide them with a role, and you can select instructor or student, and you have to provide them with a job title. So what kind of student are they? A working professional, a secondary student, or a post-secondary student? Also drop-down menu. Once you've done that and you verified, make sure there are no spaces after every one of these because the system will not recognize it. What you're going to do is hit save and then save as. You're going to save it as a CSV, test 2. You're going to go down here and hit comma separated value. It might be comma delimited value or Macintosh delimited value or Microsoft delimited value, but you're looking for the .csv file. You're going to select that. You're going to find the location you want to put in. I'm going to put my desktop, and then you're going to save. You're going to save the active sheet, and you hit continue. All right, fantastic. You've just done that. Now, what we're going to do is exit out of that. I do want to save. All right, now we're back on this page. So what you're going to want to do is choose File. And you're going to go to your desktop or wherever you saved it, and you're going to go here, find your CSV. And it's selected now, and now you're going to hit Submit. It says successfully imported or updated 3 users. Now there's 3 users in my group. 0 certifications are available, and no, they haven't passed any certifications as well. A cool feature is that you see their email addresses down here as well. Now let's get these users assigned. So why I use groups is it's easy to sort and navigate the students through the process. Instead of selecting and adding each student to a test, you can do it all at once. So let's go to the 504 meter certification, and we'll hit the green house. The house is assigned. After that, you're going to go to up top, you're going to look at assign groups or assign users. Of course, we're going to assign a group because it's easier than assigning users. Then we're going to find our group. It's going to be test group. See, it's a gray, two-tone gray right now. And if you click it green, then it is two-tone green. This means that all the users have it. I like to refresh my browser to double check to make sure that they've been accepted by the system. Of course they have. It says so right here. There's 3 users in the groups and there's 3 users with access. You have successfully gotten them up and running onto the testing site. Now let's look at how to view grades. So there's a certifications tab, and you're going to want to go to reports tab. You're going to do an exam report. You can also do a number of other certification reports. However, the exam report is the one you're going to want to view grades. I'm going to do a wider group than most people will, but you can run a grade on any time frame or any group of students in your testing site. So there's been 1 attempt. It's been a fail. The score was 14%. Obviously, you'll have more passes than we do on a test site. So here are some diagnostics numbers that you can see for the test. But down here, you can see the individual user. Now, it was a fail, but you can see why by looking at the little green eyeball and looking in and seeing what they got and what they didn't get. All right. Well, that was a quick run through of nc3certs.com. Hope you enjoyed it, and good luck issuing certifications.